Hey everyone, so this is just a follow-up video on the use of this awesome pet grooming cleaner. So I'm finding that I'm using this one the most. As you can see, he's already looking forward to using it. So once again, you pop this right into the hose here and it clicks right into place. To use this, you gently brush your dog with these bristles. The hair, once you have a lot here, you can press this button and it will pop into the vacuum hole right here. To take this off, you just pop the handle. So the two attachments I use the most are this one and also this one here. This is like an upholstery cleaner. So I use this one to clean his dog bed down here as well. Or if he's laying on the couch, I'll use this to clean that up as well. So that way I don't have to take out the vacuum. I can just use the pet cleaner. So I'm going to use this again to show how it works. The power button is right here. You have control of 3 different speed settings or suction settings on the vacuum. Settings 1 and 2 are the ones I use the most. 3 is a little loud, but it's still nothing crazy. He doesn't get disturbed and he stays pretty calm with it when I use it. So I'm going to take a look and use it now. I'm going to turn this on. Apollo, come here. So that's level 1 right now. I'll put this up here so you can actually see it. Hi, Bobby. And you can see the hair that's accumulating, and then once I pop it, it'll drop right on the inside. Make sure we get around the neck. That's where you have a lot of hair. Then I'll pop it again. And then any hair that might get dislodged from him, I will then put this upholstery tool on and use that to suck up any of the hair from the dog bed or any of the hair from the couch where he typically lays. Or I could even use it on the pillows that he likes to lay on all the time. And it does a wonderful job at collecting all that hair. Now this is number 3. So as you can see, it does a really great job of collecting any dog hair. So that way it doesn't go anywhere in your home. When you're done, you pop that button here on top of it and it will come right off. To open it, you press this button right here. It does have a filter on the bottom that helps as well. To put this back in, I recommend lining up this edge with that edge here and then just pops right into place. But we love this thing.